Hey y'all, so I am getting ready to wrap up my open house here in Frisco on 𝗵𝗽𝗽𝗲 Drive. I normally come on and do a live like right at the beginning, but we've had so many people come through, which is a great thing. I just didn't have a lot of time to do a live. We had about 8 or 9 families to come through, so it was really great. Open house was a success. I'm gonna show you all a little bit of the house. I have one family in here now. So I'm standing in the front room out from the entryway there in the stairway. Try not to get that on the camera. And then this is the kitchen. Here, and off of the kitchen is the laundry room and another staircase entrance, and then there is the garage. It is a 3-car garage, and then right off of the eat-in area in the kitchen is the door to the backyard. Not going back out there. You guys can see it's pretty hot, but the backyard is nice and large. Bye. Thank y'all for coming. Let me know if I can help you with anything. Let me know if I can help you with anything. All right. Thank you. You too. Guests just left. I'm about to lock this up. But upstairs there are 3 bedrooms, and then downstairs there were 2 bedrooms and the office. Oh, upstairs is also, that you guys can get a chance to see, but also is a game room and a media room along with the 3 bedrooms up there. All right, but thanks for joining me. If you or anyone you know wants to buy or sell a home, feel free to give me a call. Talk to y'all later.